Hey everyone, today we introduce Urban Courtyard House in Hennur locality of Bangalore, Karnataka. Let me give you quick specs. Spread across a plot area of 4,000 square feet, this is a 4-bedroom house over a built-up area of 6,000 square feet. The key design highlight is an intimate connection to the private courtyard from all the rooms, which defines the introverted quality of the house. A play of levels and materials coupled with the greens elevate the spatial experience. If you like this house and want to know more, click on the link mentioned in the description below. It will take you to our website buildofy.com, where you become a member and download full PDF ebook with details of the roof design, project cost, floor plans with dimensions and material palette. As a member, you can download 200 plus PDF ebooks of the houses pan India. Till then, I hope you enjoy the video.
Both our clients are government official. They were looking for a 4-bedroom house, and when we had an initial discussion about the project, the main thing they insisted is to have more garden area and less built up space. This property is situated in the gated community in the northern part of Bangalore, that is in the Hennur road. The plot size is 50 feet by 80 feet, and this particular plot is facing north. And when we started working, actually the neighboring plots on all 3 sides were empty, and we had one beautiful tree in the front, so we were thinking of having couple of things opening up towards this side, and also we had a series of different kind of trees including silver oak trees towards end of this property, so we thought of opening up a few things towards this side as well. Since client was expecting to have more of a garden space, so the entire ground coverage what we actually covered up was something like this, wherein the built up area was approximately around 60%, and all the remaining areas were a garden space. Since the requirement was very minimal, as the built up area was very less, we thought of having multiple levels in the floor plan. We left a generous setback, something like around 7 feet from the front, and we started with having a small water body in the northeast corner, so that the entrance will be very interesting. And then we had a puja space which is kind of floating on top of a water body. So we have a entrance steps from here, wherein we reach a 4.5 feet level. This is our living space, and you reach this through the steps actually. So here we are at 4 feet 6 inch level, and here we are at 7 feet level, and this is a set of a staircase which takes you to the upper floor. In the entrance portion, we are having a small powder toilet over here and a nice interesting deck space. And this is at a 8 feet 6 inch level, and below this is what we have a parking facility. And as we continue further in the southeast quadrant, we are having a kitchen and dining, and parents bedroom comes here, and this entire space is the central courtyard, wherein the entire house overlooks to this particular central garden, and a couple of like spaces like this deck area, wherein we get a very good view from the outside trees as well. The entire house, what we planned is more like an experiential space, like you enter to a 4.5 feet level, then you take a couple of steps to reach to 7 feet level. Then we had an interesting set of a sofa here, wherein we customized the sofa, and we integrated steps inside the sofa as well, so that you reach this deck level, because there is a 1.5 feet difference from here to here. In the upper floor, we had two sets of bedroom in the southeast and southwest corner with a small balcony pops out on top of the garden area. This was our master bedroom, and this is a son's bedroom. And we had a interesting small cutout here. There, if you look at the angular shadow which falls on top of the feature walls, creates a kind of different imprint on the wall during the day. This is a family space with a bar area, and we had one more bedroom and a toilet in the entrance and one more outdoor deck here. And also interestingly, what we thought is of having this particular wall like a feature wall, and also this particular inside wall also like a feature wall, and we used a different sort of material to enhance this, like using archi concrete finish for this walls. And here we have a tall compound wall wherein have a lot of privacy, and we thought of having a interesting bamboo shoots so that we get a privacy from the neighborhood also. And this is where the silver oak trees and other trees which were coming. So it was like a seamless kind of approach what we thought of having. When we started working on the facade, we wanted the entrance portion, the parking area, to be at a very low height. So we kept it around 8 feet, and we had a huge a door, like a 14 feet tall door, pivoted door in the entrance, and we used a recycled teak as a louvers in the front facade for the puja room space. And we wanted to actually connect these two masks, so we thought of having a kind of inclined roof on top of this which connected both the masses. And we wanted to give a kind of lightness here, so we thought of adding a perforated metal sheet here. This is where we have our door openings which opens up to this deck area, and on top of this is where one of our bedrooms sits here. And again we thought of having an interesting opening here so that it can overlook the trees in the front. And again we added a kind of louvers over here so that there is a sort of connection between these two. And we added one more big wall which connects the entire mass with a huge big puncture to overlook the garden below. We had a roof which was inclined at around 30 degree, and we worked out with a RCC slab itself with the upturned beam over here. And in case of rainwater and all, the water overflows here and it get collected here and drop down on the either side. And also we worked out a wooden cladding using a recycled teak, wherein we had a set of battens at different intervals, and on top of this the recycled teak was cladded. And to connect the overall thing, we had a customized aluminum C channel which comes something like this. We used white plaster. Some parts of the building are exposed concrete, and some parts we used it like a archi concrete finish. As we enter the house, the entrance steps, we wanted to keep it like a rough finish, so we thought of having a Lepataro finish black granite. Then you enter to a very serene atmosphere wherein we have a white colored marble on the floor and to the walls of the puja area. Then you come across to a beige colored flooring, Italian marble what we have used for the living room, kitchen and dining area. And then you take wooden steps to go out to the upper floor, and again you have a same beige color Italian marble. Since our build form is only like G+1 structure at a varying levels, we wanted to emphasize on the horizontality of the entire structure. So it started from the gate actually. If you look at the gate and compound, it is more horizontal. We have used a stainless steel brush finish in a horizontal manner. That is the first layer of horizontality what you see. Then later on the same has been transferred to the puja level, wherein we have a recycled wooden slats which is again put in horizontal manner. And next in the first floor level also there is a archi concrete wall which connects the entire building at the upper level. So in all these three layers the horizontality has been emphasized in the overall built form. Since the entire house revolves around the landscape area, we were very keen on a kind of plant selections what we were actually planning for. In that case, we actually went for a wedge bamboo towards the end of the property, wherein it acts like a green facade to the entire internal space. And also the kind of light which filters in through the bamboo gives a different atmosphere to the central Mexican lawn what we have placed. And also in front of the feature wall, concrete finished wall what we have done. So there we arranged three different layers of tropical plants in front of it, so that it gives a different kind of visual impact overall. Keeping the essence and serenity of a traditional courtyard home, we adapted the design to suit more contemporary lifestyle pattern of our clients.